What's going on, guys? It's Shooting Dave here, and today I'm joined on my channel with my wife Amy.
Hey!
So what a difference just over a week makes. About 10 days ago we were packing up all of our worldly possessions and shipping them off to America. And now we are finally here. And I'm so thankful to say goodbye to all of the stress, because the last week was pretty stressful. I got tinnitus in my ear because I was that stressed. My resting heart rate was about 100 beats per minute instead of the usual 60. So
yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, it was pretty stressful. And I had to say goodbye to my car, which I've owned for 4 years, and it's actually been in the family for about, I don't know, 6 or 7 years, maybe a little bit longer. So that was a bit sad to say goodbye to that. But anyway, we got through it. We got through it all right.
We're here.
We're here now. We've just completed our first week in LA, and this is the company apartment that we're staying in. We're not really going to show you guys around because A, it's not ours, and B, there's someone else living here with us, and it's not really fair on them to show all their possessions as well. So, what have we been up to this week?
For me, a lot of sunbathing, exploring the neighbourhood. I'm currently not working. I've applied for my EAD, which is a work permit. We sent off the paperwork, and hopefully in the next 2 to 4 months I will be approved, and therefore I can go get a job.
So for those who don't know, I've got an L1A visa, which allows me to transfer from the company that I was with in London and work in our LA studio. That means I can start work straight away and everything's legal. Amy's on an L2 spousal visa, which means she is not permitted to work until she completes her EAD, which is the paperwork that she was talking about just there. So she needs to file that off, and that can take about up to 120 days to come through, which is pretty shit, really.
Yeah.
I mean, 4 months of her not working isn't going to be great. I mean, you want to go out.
Yeah, I want to be able to make friends and
Yeah.
actually earn my own money and buy my own things.
Yeah, exactly. Rather than me paying for everything, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
I mean, I don't mind you paying for everything, but
I do. So, but yeah, so what else have we been up to? Well, I've applied for my social security number. That should be here within the next week. We've been exploring Venice and a bit of Mar Vista.
Yeah.
Abbot Kinney, which is a really cool road just outside of Venice, which has loads of nice little shops, restaurants and bars. We actually went drinking there on Friday night. We've been down there for lunch and brunch as well. We had some pretty sick tacos down there as well, which is pretty awesome. And then we're on Sunday now, so last night we went out to Culver City, which is another area that we're thinking about living in, and we had a look around there, and much to both of our annoyance.
yeah, it's actually really nice.
Yeah, I know, we were kind of hoping it wasn't going to be so nice, because the area we're staying in right now, they're like 2-story buildings, and it's like a gated community, but not a gated community, and it has a pool, a gym, barbecue pits. It's like half-hour walk from the beach, so you know, like super nice amenities, and it's only a 15-minute drive to work. So location-wise, it's pretty prime.
It ticks lots of boxes.
Yeah. I mean, like, it's the wrong side of the 405 for us because it's the expensive side of the 405. For those who don't know, the 405 is a highway that runs down, and basically anything west of it is. Now, which way do you see it? Anything west of it is cheaper than anything more inland. And Culver City is just on the other side of the 405, so just east of the 405, and that's the area we were kind of looking at because it works out a little bit cheaper. But we like the area we're in so much. We didn't really want Culver City to be that nice.
Because also here's really nice because I can walk everywhere.
Yeah.
And in Culver City I won't be able to walk as many places.
Yeah.
I can walk around the local area, but here I can walk to Venice and therefore to the beach.
Yeah, which is pretty awesome. And plus, the nice thing is that because everything's kind of close to us as well, we can go out for dinner and drinks and don't have to worry about driving home or anything like that. So that's all taken care of. But anyway, that's what we've been up to in week 1. We'll check in with you guys in week 2.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye. Also, we should have mentioned we got a house plant. That's one thing I bought this week.
This is Ralph.
Yeah,
Ralph.
I named him Ralph. And he's my favourite.
Okay, so it's week 2. What have we been up to?
So we met up with your friend.
Yeah, we met Scott. We went for tacos por favor down in Venice Beach. That was super nice.
Really good.
Yeah. What else?
I met up with my friend through Instagram on Friday and I had a girly day. I went over to Echo Park and Silver Lake and had tacos again. I mean, it's a theme.
Come on.
And then we went for cocktails. So yeah, it's a really nice girly day.
Yeah, pretty jealous actually. I was stuck at work all week, so that was quite annoying whilst you were having a lovely time. However, on Saturday we went down to Laguna Beach,
Which was beautiful.
Yeah, it's like a super like Mediterranean sort of vibe down there. It's really nice. It's very clean. There's no smoking, no vaping, nothing allowed. So all of the beaches are like super clean, and it's very, very cute. It kind of has like a theme park kind of vibe to it.
There's some buildings that kind of look like they could be easily out of Disney or what Americans would picture Europe to be like.
Yeah, so a lot of white buildings and red tiles, a lot of fancy restaurants down there, and it's nice to be like that close to the sea as well.
And the cute little cart that took you around.
Oh yeah, there's this old school I don't know, they call it a trolley, but we would say it's like a funicular kind of thing that would take you around the town as well, which is very, very cute. Yeah, so it's been a pretty chilled week this far. There has been a few little cracks in the armour, as it were. I had my card cloned, which has been pretty annoying. So I've been without my debit card for about a week now, and it should turn up hopefully in week 3. And I still haven't received my social security number, which is a pain because I really want to get my US driver's license sorted.
Yeah.
And I can't do that without that.
We can't get a flat without that.
No, we can't do that. I did get paid. That was nice though. Managed to get paid, so that was pretty cool. And I think might have sorted a few photo shoots out for next week, which is pretty cool. Oh, and one of my features in the UK got released for Fast Car magazine, so here's a couple of images of that. But yeah, that's basically been week 2. I mean, it's kind of overcast today, so we were going to go and sunbathe by the pool because we're both still pasty white. I mean, you're brown.
I'm getting tanned for me.
Yeah, I know, you're getting more and more tanned every day.
Because I keep going to the pool and sunbathing.
Yeah.
Filling my days.
And I can't get a suntan in work, so oh well. The other thing is we managed to sign and deliver and get all of Amy's employment agreement document sent off, so that should take around 3-4 months to get sorted. So
fingers crossed less.
Yeah, I mean the shortest time it can take is 2 months, so his fingers crossed that it's going to take 4 months. No, take 2 months instead of 4 months.
I'm happy having 4 months of work.
I ain't, not when we get our own flat, we're not.
I know, I want to buy things, so it's like my own thing.
Yeah. So yeah, that's week 2 for us. I guess we'll see you guys in week 3. See ya.
Welcome to week 3. So Dave, what have we been up to?
Well, it's a pretty chill week this week. So far, we got you a bank account.
Finally.
Yeah, I went on the photo shoot at Sheepy Race, which was pretty awesome. It was a 2-hour drive down south and got home at 2 AM, but I think the pictures are worth it, so I'm pretty happy with that.
And we also met up with a friend my sister recommended, hooking us up with. So we went for brunch down in Santa Monica with Hannah, and
Yeah.
that was really nice.
Yeah, so we went to this really nice little coffee spot. We didn't take any cameras with us because we'd not met her before and didn't really want to overwhelm her, but it was just nice to be back in Santa Monica again. It's just such a nice area, and like, it's really worth going to.
And to finally start making some friends as well, that was really
Yeah,
good.
yeah, it's pretty cool to reach out and meet new people, so that was nice. And then today, which is Sunday, we went to Smorgasburg in downtown LA, which is like super cool. So it's like a street feast kind of thing in the middle of the market district in downtown LA. And yeah, it's really cool. Like, we had some tacos.
I had a really good banana, raspberry, dipped in chocolate, sort of ice cream type thing.
Yeah. And I had an iced coffee. So it was nice, but it was great because it had awesome views like across the downtown LA area, which was really, really nice. And now we're just back at the flat and kind of exhausted. It's been a hot day today.
Especially in downtown, it was like 10 degrees hotter than where we are at the coast, so we're kind of melted.
Yeah, I mean, like, the heat was coming both from the sun and the floor, so it's
Yeah,
like
it's
super hot. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's been a fun week. It's been chilled, but also we've done some stuff, so it's good. Like, getting the bank account is like
That's a major thing to sort out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or, while we were in the bank, it was a bit of a scare because they don't accept your phone bill as a.
Yeah, they wouldn't take her mobile contract, so it was a bit of a skirmish because all the bills for London were in my name, so it's like, oh, what do we do? How do we find out a proof of address for Amy in London? But luckily, our old gas bill was in both of our names, so that was handy.
Yeah.
We could use that.
So that's just a tip. So if you are going to go get a US bank account, make sure you have a utility bill, like a gas or electric,
Yeah.
because like phone contracts and things like that don't qualify. But also it needs to be like an actual bill, not a summary or a statement.
Yeah, it can't be a statement or a summary.
There's some real rules what can and what can't accept. So, but finally got one. So just have to wait 2 weeks for
Yeah,
my
2
card
weeks,
to
yeah.
arrive, which takes forever. But at least I've got a bank account.
Yeah, I know. And start spending my money now.
Oh, please, I need it. We also, one thing we forgot to say, we also went shopping.
Did we?
Yeah, I got this dress.
Oh yeah.
We went to Westfield.
Yeah. Very
So-
swanky Westfield.
Yeah, like especially compared to the English Westfields, it was all really, really nice.
Yeah, it was. It was like a holiday resort kind
Kind
of
of
feel.
had
to it.
more of a Bicester Village vibe.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, it was really good. You also got some socks.
Yep, some start socks.
Yeah, and I got a tote bag. Which, I mean, if anyone who knows me
Loves a
knows.
tote bag.
Yeah. So quite a successful week, I'd say.
Yeah.
I've also been doing lots of illustrations as well. So
Oh yeah, we'll link to her Instagram somewhere.
yeah.
Here.
So if you would like to follow me, please do.
Anyway guys, that's week 3, so we'll see you guys in week 4.
Yeah. Bye.
See ya. So it's the end of week 4, thus concluding our first month in LA. I mean, it's been a pretty chilled week for us. We haven't really been up to a huge amount.
No, just relaxing really and taking it easy. Not doing too much sunbathing. I've been doing some illustrations and working on some vlogs.
Yeah.
Taking it easy, and then this weekend we met up with your friend.
Yeah, Flo came over from London. He's actually freelancing out here for a different company. Flo's a friend that I used to work with at my previous employer and my current employer, so it was nice to hang out with him and show him the beach and take him out for some drinks.
We went down to Venice Beach, had a little wander, and then went for food and drinks. So it was really nice.
Yeah, no cameras, no vloggy with us. It was just nice to chill out and relax.
And then today has consisted of getting ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow, or by the time you're watching this, we'll already be there, but we're heading off to Las Vegas. My family's coming over, so we thought it'd
Really
be...
excited.
Yeah, so we're going to make like 1 or 2 vlogs about the process, so we'll be showing you a few places to stop off and check out if you're driving from LA to Vegas or from Vegas to LA.
Yeah, we've got some really good pins like on the map.
Yeah, we've got some really quite sick locations,
Yeah.
some that I'm really looking forward to, mixing from like deserts to abandoned towns to 1950s style diners.
Yeah, so we're really excited about that.
Yeah, it should be great. I'm really looking forward to it and kind of need it. It's nice to have a little bit of a holiday after our first month because
Yeah, it's been stressful with all the paperwork.
it has been stressful. Yeah, there's been a lot of paperwork to take care of, and that's slowly getting down. I mean, we ticked off a massive item on our list, which is we actually got ourselves a flat. So yeah, I know. We'll be moving in on around the 20th of September. It's unfurnished, so we need to buy everything.
Yeah, we might be sleeping on the floor for a week or two.
Yeah. Living that homeless life in a flat.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I mean, our first month it's been awesome. I'm looking forward to like just growing and seeing how, you know, like, the years treat us out here, and make a decision as to much later on down the line whether we want to stay here long term or not. So
yeah, but for now it's still quite fun and exciting and a new adventure.
Yeah, it's nice that we ticked off something that's going to be ours. Like we'll have our own flat, and then next we'll get you a job, and then we'll get a car. So it's like there's been so much paperwork, but it's nice to actually start ticking things off the list a little bit.
Yeah.
And getting set up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excited.
Well, anyway, that's our first week in Los Angeles. Sorry, that's our first month in Los Angeles. I hope you guys found this interesting or useful, or thanks for watching. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, maybe subscribe to the channel. That would really help us out. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
See ya.